Hello friends, this is a holiday season, you all know, and recently we have seen news around congestions in the airports. We saw it in the Delhi airport, and here you can see a similar kind of advisory issued by the Guwahati airport asking passengers to arrive early, and a similar kind of advisory was issued by the Mumbai airport. So what does this indicate? So this indicates that the people in India are going crazy over holidays, which in a way also states that there is no issue in terms of the spending power. The spending power of the middle class is increasing, and that is why we are seeing a lot of rush on the airports, and the same kind of rush is being seen on the holiday destinations. So this is all about the news, but how can we as an investor gain from this, and what indication we get from it as an investor in the short term and in the long term? One thing which we can see here is the consumption. Why? Because the middle class in India is growing stronger and stronger in terms of spending power, and India is also growing as a nation, and it will continue to grow for the next 10-20 years. So based on this, I think there are three stocks which should benefit from this news. Our first share is the company from the travel sector which helps people book flight tickets, and this is the only company in the travel sector which is profitable right now, and this is the fastest growing company as well in the travel sector. Here you can see the company's profit compounding. So in the last 10 years, it has grown its profit at a rate of 55% CAGR, and in 5-year 40, 3-year 69, and 12 trailing months 33. And similarly, you can see that the sales of the company is also increasing at a very good rate. 5-year it has increased by 18%, 3-year 32, and the 12 trailing months the sales has increased by 68%, which is very good. And 1-year CAGR return has been around 60%, and the return on equity is very good, above 40%. Now we are at the chart for Easy My Trip, and you can see that it made a top at around 73 rupees. From there it has come down to its support, which is around 55 to 56 rupees, where it is taking current support, and from its top it is currently available at a discount of 23.4% right now. So in my opinion, this is a good level to make entry into this stock, because this is its support and the discount also is quite good, and the company is growing very fast. If this company will continue to grow at this rate, then the reflection of the growth will come in the share price as well. So you can keep focus on this company. The second sector which is going to benefit from this holiday season in the short term and in the long term as well is the hotel industry sector, and in that sector the market leader is Indian Hotel Companies, which is a Tata Group company. And if you look at the 6-month return, it has provided very good return of 52%, and if you look at 1-year return, it has provided around 79% return. If you look at 5-year return, it has provided 181% return. So this sector suffered a lot during the COVID time, but after that you can see the recovery has been very massive. So since June 2021, you can see the sales increasing at 140, 184, 98, 42, 267, 69%. Although the base was low, but still, if we look at the yearly numbers as well, you can see during the year March 2021, the company suffered losses because of the COVID, but post that it started recovering, and in March 2022 it posted a profit of 405, and in the last 12 trailing months you can see the profit has increased a lot. It is around 1100. And here you can see the chart for Indian Hotel. It is continuously going up. The discount available is not that much on this share. Although the hotel industry sector has been a sector which has not provided consistent returns, but looking at the rush, looking at the increase in the domestic flight, and looking at the India way ahead for next 10-20 years, there is a sure possibility that things might change. So in case you also feel the same, then the first preference should be always go with the market leader with the well-known management, which in this case is Indian Hotels, which belongs to the Tata Group. The third sector which I think is going to benefit from this holiday season is the gaming sector. And in the gaming sector, the leader is Delta Corp, which is the largest gaming company in India. And Delta Corp has captured 55% market share in the organized casino market. And they have three major business areas. First one is casinos, and they operate in Goa, Sikkim, Daman. And the second is online gaming. Third is hospitality. Now, if I look at the return for 6 months, it has been 26%. If I look at 1-year return, it's in minus 13.52%, and 5-year return has been again in negative 28.9%. And here you can see that during the COVID, the stock fell down to its very low. From there it has started recovering, and it recovered, but again you are seeing this opportunity here. And the reason why I'm calling this as an opportunity is because of their numbers. So these are their yearly numbers, and you can see it was making a revenue of around 798, 773, which dipped in 2021. Then gradually it started recovering, and now it has crossed its previous revenue numbers as well. So for the 12 trailing months, it's currently around 986, and the operating profit for the 12 trailing months is around 364. And if you also look at the quarterly result, you'll see that the operating profit for the last quarter was 100 crores. And if I go back, I see 100 crores being achieved only in the December quarter, which was 107. And before that, you can see it was in minus, and then not much, around 80. So their last quarter was very good. And December quarter being a holiday season, I'm expecting that their quarterly result should be very good this time as well. Now we are at the chart for Delta Corp, and you can see in this share there is still an opportunity. It is currently down by around 34.7%. And from its bottom, which was around this level, around 164, it has gradually started recovering, and it is currently taking support at around 220 to 230 levels. You can see it is forming a box here, and generally after a box formation we do see an upside. So we may see an upside after it breaks the box. So you can keep your focus on this share as well. I personally think that the numbers for this company will be record breaking this time. So these were the three sectors and the three companies which I think is going to benefit from this holiday season. You can also mention in the comment sector if you think there are any other companies or sectors which are going to benefit from this. So that's it in this video. If you like the video, then do hit the like and subscribe button. Or if you have any suggestion, then please feel free to mention it in the comment box. Thank you.